But what if the real horror wasn't the chainsaw, but the quiet neighbor next door? He made furniture from human bones, lampshades from skin, a full-body suit from his victims so he could become his mother. He was the inspiration not just for Leatherface, but for Norman Bates and Buffalo Bill. The movie gave you a monster with a chainsaw, but reality gave us a quiet man in a quiet house whose madness was much, much quieter and infinitely more terrifying. Where else do you think horror hides in plain sight? Subscribe to uncover the truth.